well. It's 100-watt power outputs in the 165 for the if you want to use the both USB-Cs. On this one, as you can see, the screen nice and clean, and we can see multiple datas there. All right, again, fully aluminum built, very strong and nice power bank, right? 58 watts, it's in going the charging. Right, AsperX, the company who builds multiple the chargers, power banks, anything related with the batteries, right? You can buy a compact air compression system, and also they build good quality jump starters. Now we're gonna take a look at this power bank, unbox very quick. All right, this power bank is a 165-watt output. As you can see, compared to my power bank, it's a lot smaller.
Wow!
But it's thicker, but very heavy. All right, comes with the instruction manual, how to connect all that stuff. Comes with the very quality USB-C, though all the power banks they come with the regular USB-C. And this is the power bank you can actually charge your laptop, because the power output is surprisingly well. It's 100-watt power outputs in the 165 for the if you want to use the both USB-Cs. Wow. All right, I give up already.
Seriously.
Screen on this one is really good. Last charge, it's like you can see on the BMS data. On this one, as you can see, the screen nice and clean, and we can see multiple datas there. All right, so right away, screen trying to touch, because this one is gonna look like a touch screen, but I don't know how to use this clarity. Screen brightness, always on, display screen, or this is the charge. I like this one. So it circulates a lot heavier than the cheaper power banks like that. But as you can see, this is very pocketable and can built in built-in USB-C. The wire also has very quality. If you release slowly, it's gonna go all the way in, and that's it. This part is also magnetic, so it's not gonna be like sticking out anytime. So USB-A and the USB-C on the top. You have USB-C in and out. So let's see who's gonna charge for. All right, 20-watt output already to this one, and this one's charging actually from this. So this one is more powerful. So it's even the shows. All right, so as soon as I connect it, it's showing like output, how long it's gonna take to charge, and the power output is here, and it's showing like more details. And this is the charging time, it's showing on the top, and the battery cycle. It's a lot of good stuff on this one. It's surprisingly well. I thought it's not gonna be like that. And the huge plus is even so powerful the battery, you can charge multiple times. You can charge one full laptop on this one. So now the power bank itself, the both sides is going to be 100 watts output, both USB, right? 30 watt on the USB-A. But when you connect the both USB-C, then BMS is going to be automatically the cut one side. One is going to be 65 watt output, and one is going to be 100 watt output. 20,000 milliamp, but battery really good, fully aluminum built, very strong and nice power bank, right? I'm glad I got this from the company, and definitely I will trust for the more product from this company, because I never see the great power bank like this with the full BMS, with the battery cycle informations, all that stuff, right? And the charging, discharging, and how long it's going to charge. Like if you connect to the output, how long it's going to charge that. If you have a good power bank like this is my the brand new 65 watt the power charger. We're going to test it in real life right now. I have also see some fancy stuff, and I'm going to connect this. So now it's taking 22 watts, 58 watts, and showing 22 minutes to fully charge. So the power bank is taking the charger, it's 70% already. It's taking very fast. So 58 watts, it's in going the charging. If you combine good quality products together, you're gonna get very good results. Hope this video helps you guys. I'm out. I'll see you in the next video.